Let's find the value of x given that 3 to the x plus 2 plus 3 to the x is equal to 10 all over 81. Well, our first step will be for us to apply the law of indices here. The law of indices that says when I have a to the m plus n, this is the same as a to the m times a to the n. That means this expression can be written as 3 to the x times 3 to the 2 plus 3 to the x, and this is equal to 10 all over 81. Now this expression is now simplified into 3 to the x times 3 squared is 9 plus 3 to the x, and this is equal to 10 all over 81. Now notice that on the left hand side 3 to the x is common, so we can factor out 3 to the x. Now open a bracket. 3 to the x times 9 divided by 3 to the x, we have 9 plus 3 to the x divided by 3 to the x is 1. And this is equal to 10 all over 81. Now simplifying further, we have 3 to the x times 9 plus 1 is 10. So I'm going to be putting 10 here, equal to 10 all over 81. Now in order to get rid of this 10, all we have to do is to multiply both sides by 1 over 10. So the left hand side we have 3 to the x times 10. I'll be multiplying the left hand side by 1 over 10. This is equal to the right hand side, I have 10 all over 81. I'll be multiplying the right hand side as well by 1 all over 10. Now notice that 10 cancels out 10, leaving behind 3 to the x times 1, which gives 3 to the x to be equal to, now on the right 10 cancels out 10, so that we have 1 all over 81. So 1 all over 81. Now simplifying further, we have 3 to the x to be equal to 1 all over 81 is same as 3 to the 4. Now our next step will be for us to apply the property of indices that says when I have 1 all over a to the m, this is the same as a to the negative m. So we're going to be applying this to what we have here. So this becomes 3 to the x to be equal to, now this expression can now be written as 3 to the negative 4, just like this. Now notice that the base on the left and the base on the right are now the same. And because of that, we can now equate powers. Now equating powers, the power on the left is x, while the power on the right is negative 4. So this gives our answer for x as negative 4. Now let's see if what we just solved is really correct. We're given, the given question is 3 to the x plus 2 plus 3 to the x is equal to 10 all over 81. Now we're going to be slotting the value of x here. So this is 3 to the x is negative 4, plus 2, plus 3 to the x is negative 4, and will this be equal to 10 all over 81. Now simplifying the left hand side, this will be 3 to the negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, plus this is 3 to the negative 4. Would this be equal to 10 all over 81? Now we're going to be applying this law of indices to what we have here. Now it is in this state. Now we'll be writing it in this other state. So that means this expression can be written as 1 all over 3 squared plus this expression can be written as 1 all over 3 to the 4. Would this be equal to 10 all over 81? Now this is simplified into 1 all over 3 squared is 9 plus this is 1 all over 3 to the 4 is 81. Now we're trying to see if we get 10 all over 81 as a result. Now we have a fraction on the left hand side. Now we take the LCM. So the LCM of 9 and 81 is 81. Now 81 divided by 9 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 81 divided by 81 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we're trying to see if we get 10 all over 81 as a result. Now notice that 9 plus 1 is 10 all over the denominator 81, and this is eventually equal to the right hand side, which is 10 all over 81. So x equal to -4 is a solution. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.